Kia ora all, tired of the city hustle? Join me at Long Bay, not just a pretty beach. Today you get to uncover a different side. I'm Vinky T and we're going to hit the nature trail. Ancient trees and stunning coastal views are on offer. Stick around for the full walkthrough so you know exactly what to expect. Welcome to Long Bay, Auckland Marine Reserve. It's a glorious protected beach. Beautiful sands, easy to swim, and an amazing view. Have you been here before? Are you looking to travel here? Let me know in the comments below. I'd love to hear from you. Welcome to the Vaughan stream of Long Bay. We're going to be doing the nature trail walk. Beautiful sunny day. Nature trail following the yellow. Let's go. And this also leads to the coastal track, which is a 3-hour-long walk. Good turn. Wow. Wow. Surround sound cicadas. Dang. Glaring. All these palm trees look amazing. Beautiful. Actually, what is that?
The kahikatea.
Kahikatea. Kahika massive. Native? Native to the land.
Maybe a prairie tree.
Or a prairie tree.
It's more of a prairie tree sound. The prairie tree.
Don't quote me on either of those. Either way, it's a native. I'll give you that. Wow. Beauty. It's confirmed that they are prairie trees. Glorious beasts. Just massive. Can't even. Absolutely huge. Thank you. nature trail shall be continuing on to the right hand side. No, we won't. Left. Proceeding on the nature trail. Nature trail basically consists of screaming cicadas. I think it's important to note that this is a shared trail with bikes, so as much as those will be mindful of you, be mindful of them. Little river, and this thing must come up really high. Actually, this must be for cars as well. Feeling hot, hot, hot. There's a equestrian type thing. Equestrian? Yeah. Horse training. And these are big ducks. Well, something. Look at them. Thank you so much for joining me. Hit that subscribe button and check out that video. YouTube things will be right up your alley.
And that, in essence, concludes Nature Walk. This just takes you back to the car park.